Today I figured I'd do a day in the life of a full-time eBay reseller slash content creator because it's just something different. I've never seen anybody do a video on those two things together, so let's just get into it. Today's Monday, it's 11 a.m. right now, and honestly, it's pretty late compared to what I usually start my days. But that is the beauty about being your own boss, is that you can start whenever you want and you can finish whenever you want. So just because I did start late today, I'm probably gonna end up finishing up my day way later. The first thing I did is grab all the items that I sold over the weekend, which I have down there. I just haven't started packing yet. But this is the room where I keep all my inventory. You can see 3 shelves back here. You can see 3 other shelves back here. And this is also where I do most of my content creation, which is really convenient to have, both businesses being ran in one bedroom. Because it just makes everything so much easier. I gotta pack 21 orders of a total of $957, and these are all items right here. They're not really hard items to pack, so it's gonna be very fast. When it comes to packing items, a lot of people say that you should start with the hardest items to pack, but I'm actually the other way around. I like to start with the easy ones like plushies and stuff like that, because you can just put them in poly mailer bags, put the label on them, and then they're good to go. And then I start focusing on these like harder ones, I guess. Also, I'm not gonna bore you guys with a long video telling you guys how much each item sold for. If you guys want to see videos like that, you can actually go to my TikTok, and I post everything there. So I will break it down, how much I paid for the item, how much I sold it for, and how long it took to sell. What I will say though is that with 21 items sold at a total of $957, that puts me at about a $45 average sale price, which is actually pretty good. All right, just had another order come in for these battle bots for a total of $33 plus shipping. I am halfway there. You can see the packages over there, but now I got to do the bigger ones. I forgot to mention that before I started packing my orders, I did create 3 videos, short form for my social medias, just basically showing you guys what I sold. So those are some of my videos that I do create throughout my week. When I do sell items, I just say, I sold this much, I bought it for this much, and it took this long to sell. But I always create my short form videos before I start packing my orders. Finally done packing all my orders. I got all these boxes here, all those packages down there. And now that I'm done with part 1 of my day, now I can focus on part 2, which is content creation. And this is what I got planned. Let's talk about content creation real quick. I have my main TikTok account, which is Hustle Resell, and that's where I post a lot of content showing what I find to resell on eBay, what I sell, and I give, tips and tricks on what to do to start making more sales on eBay. That is my main account. And that is the account that I do create the most content for, because I am in the Creators Rewards program, and TikTok pays me for every 1,000 views that I get on my videos, which is kind of nice to be making some extra income from creating content. For my main account, which is Hustle Resell, it's a lot easier now to create content because every single day I get asked a different question. So I can just go into my comments of my videos and I can find a question that it's being asked more often, and then I'll do a video on that. So that just makes the process a lot easier. But in the beginning, that was when it was very hard to create content because I had no idea what to create. And I was just creating a bunch of content. I was hopping on trends and I was trying to do whatever I could just to post one video daily. And like I said, it was very hard. I would also go to Google and I would type in, what common questions are asked online about eBay. I would go to ChatGPT and ask them the same question, try to get some answers. Now it's a lot easier. I can just go to the comments in my videos and I can just find a question. It'll be a lot easier for me. So yeah, that's how I create my content for my Hustle Resell account. Another account that I do have is strictly for TikTok Shop videos, and that's what I'm about to do right now. I just focus on TikTok Shop videos, and basically all I do is just talk about products. The companies send me free samples, I try them out, and then I talk about them, and I get paid by commissions. Same thing as this right here. And I just, like I said, create the videos. It's not making me a lot of money right now. I just started being very consistent with it this month, and it's making me about like $200 to $300 a month. It's not a lot of money, but it's kind of nice making those $200 to $300 every single month whathout doing much work. And since we're talking about products, this is another product that I always recommend, which is a Jaden's label printer. If you sell on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Depop, whatnot, whatever it is, and you're still printing labels with a normal printer, highly recommend one of these because it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money in the long run. This is the one that I recommend because I've been using it for a few months now. It hasn't given me any issues, and it's affordable and it's very reliable. If you're still in the market for a label printer, this is the one that I always recommend. I will link it in the description, and make sure that you guys use Johnny15 to get an extra 15% off your order. Like I said, very reliable, very affordable, and it's going to save you a lot of time and money in the long run. So here's our TikTok Shop account. As you can see, from the 1st to the 15th, I made $194, which is a little bit lower than last month, but I still have half the month left. My goal for this month for this account was to make an extra $500. So I think I'm gonna hit it. I think I'm gonna hit that goal. The idea that I had for this kind of video is, you know, it's not talking about how good it tastes, because it's really hard to really make that message go through a camera without you actually tasting it. So I figured, why not talk about the company and the brand and how they started. And you know, everybody likes a good story, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna record a video talking about their story, how they started, how they got the recipe, and hopefully, you know, that creates some sales and I'm able to make some commission off of that. So I'm recording the video. You can see the popcorn is open here. If I'll probably in the future I'll do a video on TikTok shop videos, because I know some people are looking for side hustles, and I think this could be a good opportunity for many to get into, especially with Q4 coming up. I just got back from the post office. I went to USPS and UPS because I was using both services today, just because some were cheaper than the other ones. But that's it for today, you guys. I just want to show you guys behind the scenes in a way, like what it is to be a content creator and be a full-time eBay reseller. It's a lot of work. I'm still not done. Right now it's 4 p.m. and I'm still not done. I still need about 2-3 more hours of work. Maybe I'll show you guys a little bit of that in the next video, just to break things more down. But if you guys have any questions or anything that you guys want me to do next time, let me know in the comments. And then obviously I'm always reading you guys' comments, and I'm always replying to as many as I can. And I listen, so I'll post whatever you guys want me to do. So if you guys made it to the end, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, because I will be posting one video every Wednesday.